What's going on, y'all? You cooking with Mr. Smackin again. I got a treat for y'all. I created this veggie burger. You're gonna really like it. It's about the meatiest meatless burger you've ever seen. We're gonna use these same meatless grounds that we used in that chili video. If you ain't seen that, check it out. Here go meatless grounds. Here go the Italian breadcrumbs, my black beans, my rice, my seasoning, my oil, my egg. I even got some steak seasoning. All right, you're gonna see what I'm using that steak seasoning for here in a minute. Okay, let's get it started. Remember, subscribe to the channel though. Come on back. All right, let's get started with the grounds. I got about 2 tablespoons of black beans. That's about 2 cups of grounds. So 1 egg. And this is the steak seasoning and a little bit of lemon pepper and seasoning salt. Get that in there. About a half a teaspoon each. And then we're going to generously add the Italian breadcrumbs. Okay, what I wanted to do right here is add my rice. Okay, my rice is already done. Had it pre-cooked up. Okay, now let's bring it together. Probably need to take these gloves off to really get in there. What you're going to do, you just want to mix everything in as though you were making like a meatloaf, and as you kind of feel the firmness of the mixture, you want it to firm up. Add more breadcrumb. Now we're making these patties now. I have to take those gloves off. We'll just add those onto those patties. See how firm those patties are? The best tasting veggie burger I've had came from Cheesecake Factory, and I say this one's better. All right, let's get it to the pan. Get that oil, and let's get these bad boys on this heat. A little bit of seasoning on top. Let that cook. Probably gonna do about 5 to 6 minutes each side. Get these to turn real quick. See, they got that good looking crust on there, just like a regular hamburger. And it smells real good because you got a little bit of that steak seasoning in there. A little bit more seasoning on top of there. Cover them up for about 5 minutes. Look at that. See how they stand together? That rice helps, but the breadcrumbs help too. Give a little bit of oil. Drizzle a little bit right on top of it. You can also use butter on these too. They taste real good when you give them butter baths. Look at that. Alright, time to put our cheese on there. Whatever cheese you like, go ahead and put that on there. I'll just do some regular American. Look at how juicy those are. I'm serious, folks. Those are some juicy burgers. Now let's get this bread on here. Alright. Get both sides. Won't leave them on there too long. Now, there you go. Now, what I had is a little barbecue sauce, some ranch, and some queso. So we're gonna mix that together. That's gonna be my sauce. Is gonna go on the buns. Get that mixed in real good. Alright, put that spread on there. Remember, subscribe to the channel. I'm doing things like this all the time. I know you've been to the store and been seeing like ground beef, very expensive, or if you've even been able to even find any ground beef, you can always do this right here. Boom, look at that. Let's put a little bit of some pickles on there. These are the butter pickles. And let's get a tomato. Put that on there. Look at that bun. Look at the burger. Look at that. And it's juicy too. Let me go ahead and cut it in half so I can see how it looks on the inside. And it smells good too. Let me give you a shot of this real quick. Look at that. You can't tell me you won't get full off that. Look at that. Man, that right there is smacking. Hold on. Let me make it official. I gotta get a taste of this. Oh man. Look how I stay together, man. That's smacking right there. Remember, man, hands down the best. Subscribe to the channel. You're not gonna get better than that. Look, come on back, see me. I got more for y'all. All right? Keep smacking. Peace.